Hey everyone, it's Chase Vickers and welcome to MoonShot Money, where we discuss all phases of investing, personal finances, and entrepreneurship. These are some big subjects. There's a lot of mystery to unravel, jargon to learn, information to digest, and methods to discover on our way to success. So if you're wanting to learn a little more about making, saving, and putting your money to work, let's learn it all together right here at MoonShot Money. We believe everyone has a little Warren Buffett, Elon Musk spark somewhere on the inside. We want to help you discover yours. So every week we're going to learn how to get a little smarter with our money and look at different ways we can make the world a better place. Some weeks we're going to have a little fun, and every once in a while hit a moonshot. If that sounds good to you, join our community by subscribing below, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is.